Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about the most powerful scalping strategy that has been used ever for the trading view, and this strategy is being made of two indicators that are very important, and you will be amazed to see that how and profitable they are, and nobody ever have discussed these trading view indicators before. Okay, I will be telling you one more thing, that how you can earn the maximum profit by using this strategy. So let's move towards the details. The first thing that I want to tell you here, that this strategy can not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. All right, here I want to tell you that which program I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. If you are interested to open your account with XNES, you can trust them, because they are very good in giving you maximum profit by taking very less commission or no commission at all, and they are trustworthy as well. So if you're interested to open your account with XNES, do not hesitate to find the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have chosen GBP JPY chart with 5 minutes time frame. This strategy can be applied on any time frame, but I have used here 5 minutes time frame as I want to use it for my scalping. The indicator, the first indicator that I'm going to use here is the Bernoulli process by binary entropy function. This is by Kokurek, and 2605 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now you are going to change for the adjustment of this indicator, and that I will be telling you here. Let's wait for the, yes, here it is. Now I am going to tell you that you have to uncheck this option, plus you have to uncheck the shapes, both of the options, and you have to go into the price and into the volume. You have increased the thickness, and that's okay. I want to tell you more, that the blue color line is showing us the price and the yellow color line is showing us the volume of this indicator, that is Bernoulli process indicator. Now we are going to add the second indicator, that is you can find from the community scripts, and its name is VDUB binary pro 3 v2 final plus strategy. This is by VDUB US, and 16,764 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now we will go into the adjustment of this indicator. You have to go into the adjustment. Now you have to uncheck few of the options in the style section. You have to uncheck plot and this as well. Now these two plots as well, this and then this plot, again this background color we will leave, and this plot also, this as well, shapes also, and this plot and this also. One thing that I have to leave here, that will be red color bar, and it was, I think I have to check it, this I will leave it. Okay, and rest of the things I have to uncheck, and now that's all. Our indicator is set according to our requirement. Now I want to tell you that when to enter into the position for the buy or for the sell signal, always remember this is the Bollinger Band that is working like according to the market trend. We have to see that if our market will move up or above the this red color line in the VDUB binary options, then we have to see first of all our Bernoulli process. Always remember that this yellow color line has to cross over this blue color line, or the volume has to cross over the price line. Then we have to take the entry into the market, but before that we have to see that our Bollinger Band should be the red color line should be below this our market, and market has to move above this red color line. So if all three conditions will be fulfilled, we will take the entry into the market for the bullish signal or for the buy signal. Conversely, if we see that if our market has moved below, for example, this from here, let's see our yellow color line has moved below this blue color line. It means that now we are in the downward trend, and now we have to see, but first we have to see that this blue color line should be crossing over to this yellow color line, so we will go into the bearish trend. Okay, let's find some other example. For example, here, if this blue color line has gone above to this, it means we are going in the downtrend, and then we have to see that our market has to move below this red color line among this Bollinger Band, so we have to go and take the entry into the market for the bearish signal. So this strategy will work at its best when our market has to move in almost approaching to this these Bollinger Bands, or approaching to the maximum levels of these two levels, these two bands, and if the market is above this red color line, it means we are in the uptrend, and if the market is the down to or below to this red color line, it means we are in the downtrend, or we have to take the entry into the market for the bearish signal. So this is all about the strategy. If we can if we go and search for any other pair of the market, for example AUD USD, then we have also seen that our market has moved above to this, and this blue color line is still above to this yellow color line. That is why our market is continuously moving above this red color line. It means that we are in the uptrend, and we will take the entry into the market for the buy signal. Conversely, if we see that if our market has moved, our yellow color line has crossed to this blue color line, it means that we are in the downtrend, and our market has also moved below to this red color line, so we will take the entry into the market for the bearish signal. This is all about the strategy. If you like the strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and to use it for your own trading, as this strategy is very powerful, and this is the strategy that you can trust on for your trading, because this gives you the most accurate signal for the scalping especially. So good luck from my side, and thank you for watching this video.